Hey, what's up guys, back here with another video, and today I am going to teach you how to put in chassis fans or the case fans in the correct way. So, let's get started. So right here we have a CPU fan, actually not a CPU fan, but a chassis fan. So we want to know what way the airflow is going to go through. So there's one method that I use, and it's knowing what way the fan is tilted. Or what I mean is where the hooks are. The airflow is going to go from the curving down to curving up. So it's going to go like this. There's also another method that I use, and it is called, well, it's not a real method, but it's just looking at the labels, and mostly where the labels are, it's going to go backwards like this. So that means air is going to go from here and come out from there. So as you can tell, I'm going to try to mount it right here on this side of my case, and instead of putting it there, but I'll put it right here so I can get more intake than outtake. And plus outtake, it'll just go passive outtake because more air comes in, the more outtake there will be. So I don't think there's a need for an outtake fan, so I'll be putting it in the front of my case. Now let me do a time lapse and show you how I'm going to put this or this inside of this slot right here. So let's start it. So yeah guys, that's how to install a fan correctly into your system. So if you like this video, like it. If you love this video, smash the subscribe button right below the like button if you want to get updates on more videos coming very soon. Anyways guys, that's going to be it for this video. Peace.